I'm gonna film it.
Ah, that was a little easier than I thought, and plus it's really nice and solid. So. Hey, here we go. Is there a gear down light right now?
Yeah, I got 3 green.
Okay, so go ahead and bring her up and let's see what happens. Wait, whoa.
Okay, maybe I want to do that. Here goes the staff.
Okay, let's go back to my hangar and get a support for that. I think there's a little table in there and some cabbing.
Can we use this table? No.
Well, we could. It's a little chintzy, but
How about I just use this chair?
well, use that cushion, so I don't want the glass right on the hard surface. Don't support weight with this finger. Put it in front of the tail, not in the back. Try to get as close to that bowl. No, right in front of the, as far back as you can get towards the thing, because let me show you. There's a bulkhead.
Yeah, I can't get to it with the back of the chair.
What's that?
I can't get to it with the back of the chair.
Well, I guess okay. Let's do it. What about this? Here. There you go. There it is. Go ahead and slowly step in. Let's see what it does.
How about here?
Yeah. Well, slowly step into the air. And let's see if this does the job. I think it will. Good? Yeah. Okay. When you step there,
Yeah.
in the future, I can see the plywood flexing. Step right. Don't go out on the wing. Keep your feet over here. Okay. You might want to bring a little pad and put your hand over that right here. I think so. Yeah. And up towards the front. See, like when you were stepping here, and I saw a little flexing. That's not a good thing. Anyway, let me go up here and watch. Go ahead and bring her up, and I think it's going to go up really fast from this.
Can you move that way? Because I got it on the videotape. Is that all right?
Okay,
Okay, you ready for gear up?
I'm ready. Oh, beautiful. This one's hanging. Oh no, it's going now. Well, just fine. And you get, is there an up-block light or?
No, it's just the green lights went on.
Okay, bring her down. You got 3 green?
Yeah. Should I try the emergency one?
Well, hold on. Not yet, because you need to read the procedures for emergency. Is it a gravity thing?
Well, you pull the circuit breaker behind the seat, and then you pull this red lever, and it's supposed to drop the gear.
Oh, just by, and once you do that, when you push the circuit breaker back in, and yeah, we should, okay, if you're familiar with the procedure, then go ahead and do it. Bring it up. Okay, now, what do you say? Pull the circuit breaker and pull the lever?
Pull the 50 amp circuit breaker.
Okay, as long as you're sure which one, because I got no clue where it is. That one's coming down, that one's coming down. The nose is coming down ever so slowly. I doubt you have green lights though.
No.
This one doesn't look like it's down all the way. No, neither is the nose. I know I could pull them down, but I guess go ahead and push the circuit breaker back in and lower it to down. Is the handles in the down position? Go ahead and redo the circuit breaker. Okay, there it's going up. Pick it up.
Oh, maybe that's why.
What?
Well, wait a minute.
This one is not all the way up. Did you reset the red handle?
Yeah.
You did. Go ahead and put it down. Now you got 3 green?
Yeah. Okay, now let me try this emergency. Well, let me pull up first.
Go all the way up.
No, I think I did the procedure wrong. Because you caught the circuit breaker, and then I think what all this is doing is it's releasing hydraulic pressure, and once it drops to 800, it makes the gear go down. But if I keep pushing the red lever, I keep bleeding off hydraulic pressure, and then it stops working.
So do what you think is the right procedure for the.
I do this. Did it stop?
It stopped, yeah.
All right, let me try this again. I think I'm getting it.
It's not all the way down. Why don't you come out for a second?
Okay.
Because we do have a small problem. Come on out. We've got a leak. Look there. See it? Where's it coming from?
Coming from a weep hole.
Okay, so what? I believe, let's see.
Well, I see it's coming from underneath the seat on the passenger side. So I got to take out the seat.
Wait. All right, yeah, go ahead and take out the seat and, you know what, wipe that stuff up as much as you can for right now.
Yeah, I see.
Where is it?
There's a 90-degree angle.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
And it looks like the hydraulic pump. Hydraulic pump.
Well,
And there's already a towel.
okay, well, go ahead and take the seat out first. And then clean up, or actually even before you clean up, just take the seat out.
Yeah.
And,
Is it safe to leave it like this?
oh yeah, I believe it is, yeah. We can let it down onto the wheels if you want.
No, it's all right. I'm just wondering because
Well, let's let it down just for working on it, and we don't have to take this stuff off. We'll just let it down so it's sitting on the wheels. We're climbing in there and jumping around. You had 3 green, right? So it's all down and locked?
yeah.